Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are building a train table and we got a bunch of pictures on our progress along the way here, guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. And at the end we got a video of where we're at so far, and I've got this entire thing built for less than $100. It's amazing what you can do if you do it yourself. All the wood you see there I had left over. All the mountains we're building is out of cardboard, and we put sheetrock putty over top of them, paint. All the trees you guys will see coming up, it's all from Christmas trees. So guys, you can do this really cheap. I've got less than $100 in all of this. So please watch the video till the end. Enjoy the video, and leave me some comments of what I did wrong or what I can improve on. Alright, we got an update on the train table. As you can see, I've got these out here, some more ridges I'm gonna be making. I've got the first coat, the compound on one of my mountains, some of my mountains here. Of course, like I said, I got a long ways to go, but so far so good. Got the bridges in. The dry riverbed, got my banks ready for foam. Working on the other big mountain. I ran out of joint compound, so I gotta get some more. But yeah, it's coming right along. Like right here's gonna be a little radio tower. And for my first train table, it's turning out pretty good, I think. The theme is gonna be the Denali National Park in Alaska. Couple towns here. My Santa Fe. Yeah, it's coming right along. You guys can see. Still got a lot of work to do. So there's the empty bucket. But yeah, it's coming along. So we'll update you in the next few days. What's up, guys? I want to give y'all an update on my first ever HO scale layout. As you can tell, it's going to be an Alaska theme. But we start out right here in a ravine. It's going to be a big water feature. Like I said, we've got my ballast put down finally, and it goes on around through here. It enters the tunnel there. Now this open space right here, I'm not sure what I'm going to put here yet. Probably some kind of old towns. I don't know, a logging community. I don't know yet for sure. But there's some better looks at the mountains. Then he exits out through here, goes across another bridge. You can go through the holler here, leads into another mountain. Over here and I'll show you guys. So he comes out through here, and right through the valley here into the Alaska forest. Comes on around through here like that. It's been a lot of fun so far, and don't have much money in it. So we got a cave right there I left. This area right in here, we're going to do some like a ranger station. We're going to put some campers camping out. Yeah, this is just like it's a big wood scene, like I said. It's gonna be we're gonna put a little ranger station up here on top. There's gonna be the antenna for it, and yeah, I've made all this. The mountains are made of cardboard and sheetrock spackle, and then we painted it, and then I got spray foam certain places for the rocks. Yeah, and this total build so far, I've got less than $100 in all this, so you guys can do this on your own. All the wood I had laying around, all this is this cardboard I got from the dollar store, and there's 10 gallon of spackle, sheetrock putty, paint. All these trees right here you see, guys, just take a Christmas tree and cut the little ends off. That's all these are. You cut the ends off Christmas trees. There's some white ones back here on the mountains. On the top you got white. I bought a few of these, like these right here. You can get these at the Dollar General store. You get 3 in a pack for $1. I put the small ones up there, but most of these are Christmas tree tips. The ballast. All the gravel ballast I got right here. Guys, this is cat litter. You take cat litter and wash it real good, and then you put it in a shifter and get the different sizes you want. That's all that is. Like I said, I've got less than $100 in this layout, and it's 12 foot this way and 8 foot this way, and I'm going to be building on more. The only thing I bought, I had to buy the track, which was like $30. And my dad gave me a controller and an engine. And I've got some more stuff ordered, more engines now. That's where you get into some money. But for the layout, guys, I mean, leave me a comment. I mean, keep in mind, this is an Alaska theme. What should go right here? Because I'm having trouble deciding what to put over on this side. Like I said, the tunnels. The mountains are super easy to build. Super easy. And they look pretty realistic. We're going to get some black cloth and put it up on the ceiling. We're going to hang some stars down. It's going to be a nighttime theme. Yeah, I mean, it's got some, this is a cool layout. It really is. I'm going to get some, I'm going to 3D print some Bigfoots and put out here, and some bears, and yeah, I just want to show everybody the progress of what we got done so far, and we'll keep you up to date. See you guys.